Open up the curtain.
Hey, I don't want to tell you again.
What happened to your other camera? Don't touch it.
Kate,
No, Kate,
Kate, you're gonna mess the
stop.
blinds up. Stop.
Don't touch it.
I'll make sure to turn off the lights because it'll run the battery down. The battery that runs off you don't have electricity.
What's this?
I don't know, I think it's called awning down or something. I'm not really sure.
Don't touch it, put it down.
Where's the awning? Tickle.
No.
Things that you haven't on your screen now.
What?
Yeah.
What happened to your other camera?
What other camera?
That camera.
It still works.
Then why aren't you using it?
Because I like selfie.
Yeah, that's not a selfie since it's a baby.
This is a selfie.
No, no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop.
I'm stuck.
Where's that noise coming from? I think it's from in there. It's scary. It's the bathroom. It's the toilet. It is the toilet.
You didn't go pee later, did you?
Nope.
The caption link. All I gotta do is win.
Don't touch it.
Now here. Now throw it here.
Kenneth, quit playing with the blinds, please.
Looks like it's gone.
Get it.
It's under there.
You put it there, get it.
I got this.
Your head's too big. My head's too big.
No, it's not. Nope, can't reach.
Dave, you better get it. You put it
I'm going to get it. Watch out.
Maybe your head's too big for you. Nope. Nope.
Okay, excuse me.
You
I
lost
don't know
half
what's
of your
going in
son.
here.
What's going on here?
Okay.
In the corner. Looks like
You
the
lost-
camper down on me.
Oh, you did?
Yours
Did it
hurt
hurt it?
I just bent the bar.
How did he fit
seriously?
that much around
What bar?
This bar?
It's not supposed to be touching that, is it?
No, it was up a little bit. I went to grab it. I was like, I'm like son of a
You gonna
gun.
ruin it?
No, I just bent the handle.
Can you bend it back?
Probably.
You're not gonna be able to hit are the buttons on top?
No, those are just stickers.
Let's ask if those are buns on there.
Kate, get off from under there if it collapses.
Yeah, come on, Cade.
Did you get my bow?
Kenny, can you stand up and come over here?
I got it.
Cade, come on.
Get it?
Anybody needs to go potty.
Now's the time, because I'm unplug.
I grabbed that.
I'm unplugging the camper and sliding into the water.
Don't touch my butt.
So everybody go potty now. Try. Because we're not stopping, so. Get up, Kate. Go try to potty.
Gotta go pee.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.